Yun ang the best talaga. Grabe talaga yung luto ni Ate Klang, guys. Feeling ko pagkatapos nito, magtatayo siyang catering. Sabi ko sa kanya, tutulungan ko siya, magtayo tayo ng catering business. Sobrang yayaman na siya. Legit. Legit, yayaman talaga siya. Gusto niyo lang, alam niyo, guys, yung favorite pagkain ko doon, monggo! Monggo talaga. As in, the power of monggo. Yun ang kinain ko bago ko na-flip yung mga bote. The power of monggo, guys. Kung gusto nyo gumaling sa mga bottle flipping, kain kayo monggo. Sobrang sarap. Tsaka di lang pwede Friday, every day. Diba? Sobrang sarap talaga ng power of monggo. Legit. True story yan, guys. Tanong nyo lahat ng mga housemates, ano yung favorite food ni Emilio dun sa bahay? Monggo talaga. Number 1. Number 1 talaga ang monggo. Tell me, guys, one of my favorite Emilio Core moments, edits that I've seen, is nung kumakain ako ng ampalaya. Oh my gosh, guys! It's like you were reading my mind. Pero sobrang sarap ng ampalaya, guys. I love it now. Pero kung tatanungin niyo yung mga kapatid ko, yung mommy ko, yung mga pinsan ko, yung mga tito-tita ko, di talaga ako kumakain ng ampalaya, guys. Pero sobrang sarap lang talaga ng luto ni Ate Klang, kaya napapakain ako ng ampalaya. Kinakain ko na nga yung mga ampalaya ni River at saka ni Ralph. Binibigay nila yung ampalaya nila sa akin kasi ayaw nilang kainin. Sobrang sarap talaga, guys. Swear. As in, wow. Alam niyo yung mas wow na 9 million likes na tayo, guys. Wow talaga. I mean 8.9 million, but it's 9 million now. I spoke too soon again. And we're at 19,000 viewers. How is this even possible? Bakit naman ganyan? Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyayari to. Pero legit, guys, sobrang sarap ng ampalaya. As in, na-appreciate ko yung pagka-bitter niya. Diba? Parang, sarap pala na maging bitter. Joke lang. Alam niyo na yan, guys. Yeah. So, wild talaga. Honestly, wala akong rice cooker dito sa bahay ko. That's the most surprising part. As in, sobrang hilig ko lang ng kumain ng kanin. Kaya naisipan ko na ako gagawa ng kanin. Kasi gusto ko kumain ng masarap ng kanin. And, tanong yung housemates, guys. Sino yung best na nagsasaing? Of course, he's right here. Ay, nako. Kung gusto niyo mag-try ng best na saing sa buhay niyo, tawagan niyo lang ako. Tapos try ko pumunta sa bahay niyo. Magsaing lang ako. Only takes 10 minutes. So, mabilis ko na magsaing. Pero syempre, kailangan hintayin yung kanin mga 15-20 minutes para hindi masyadong basa. Diba? Wow! 10 million views! I mean, likes! And 20,000 followers. I mean, viewers, this is crazy. Maraming salamat, guys. Grabe kayo. I can't believe this. 20,000 viewers na. Grabe. Grabe. Team Millie, mag-ingay. Grabe kayo. Magla-live with Michael? Of course. Brother ko yan eh. Kapatid ko yan. That's my duo, pare. Workout tayo, guys. Workout tayo. Ito yung famous ball na ginagamit ng karamihan ng mga boys, karamihan ng mga housemates. Yung mga iba, umuupo lang. Yung iba, nagwo-workout. But ito yon. Ako actually yung nagdala nito dito sa bahay. And ginagamit ko kasi siya for taping. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng iwanan sa bahay, unfortunately. Honestly, akala ko babalik ako eh, but it's okay. We can talk about that another time. I'm sure Michael will have a lot to say. Pero of course, dala ko yung tumbler ko. Franco Emilio Banzon Daez. Ito, kasi number 1 ako. Pero, obviously, hindi ako number 1. Grabe to. Salamat sa 20,000 viewers and 11 million likes. What the heck? How is this possible? Kung i-exit ko ba yung tab, tapos kausapin ko yung si Michael, pwede ba yan? Grabe naman to. Wow. Try ko tawagin si Michael ngayon. Sorry guys. Wow! 20.7 thousand viewers na. Sorry. And 12 million likes. What the heck? I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Kaya lang. Try kong tawagin si Michael B. Si Mr. Michael. Tinatawagan ko si Michael. Kaya lang. Bro, sali ka ng live ko.
Bro, I'm watching it live.
Sali ka. How do I invite you?
You have to follow me back.
I have to... Guys, hindi ko pala pinafollow yung duo ko. Kaya hindi daw siya makahasali sa live. Taka lang ha. Teka lang. Paano ba to? Paano ba yan? Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, I'll follow you back. Paano ba yan? Guest or host? Paano to?
Multi-guest feature ba?
Oo, pero check requirements. Hindi ata ako ano. Guys, I need to go on live for 30 minutes and then I have to go on live for 30 minutes. On 3 separate days. Paano yun? So, di na ako pwede mag-live kasama ni Michael? Paano ba yun? Bawal pa mag-guest.
Baka sa account niya.
Sa account ni Michael? Yeah. Teka lang. Michael needs to go on live and then siya mag-invite sa akin. Okay, gets.
Yeah, correct.
Gets. Woo! Sarap ng kain! Kumakain ngayon si Michael, guys. Magmakbang tayo sa ni Michael. Mag-share tayo ng mga anong kinakain namin. Patay guys. Sabi ni Michael, di rin niya alam kung paano mag-host ng live or paano mag-invite. So, hindi ko alam kung paano natin gagawin to. Sa IG. Gusto niyo sa IG guys? Pwede sa IG. Kasi I think mas maganda sa IG. Go sa IG. Sure kayo guys? Okay lang? Okay lang sa inyo guys. Okay. Actually, baka I can stay on live here on TikTok while being live on IG. So, let's try it. Let's try it right now. Kali, pahiram yung phone mo ha. Yung manager ko guys, pangalan niya Kali. Sobrang gwapo niya. You can follow him on TikTok, YouTube. Grabe vlogger siya. Sobrang galing niyang vlogger. As in the best. Legit. Tapos may isa pa siyang partner in crime who's also my manager. Her name is Trish Mamburam. Sobrang ganda niya and like ang galing niya mag-aesthetic. Like legit. Sobrang wild. Makita nyo talaga. Ayan, magla-live na ako sa IG guys. Pero dito pa rin ako sa TikTok. And then, a-add ko si Michael. Invite. What's up guys? Wow, it's my first time live on IG. Thank you to the 3,000 viewers. Tito Mike! Tito Mike! That's my duo, pare! That's my duo, pare! Come on!
I miss you, Emil.
Bro, I miss you, brother. Grabe, bro. Grabe yung support na ng taong bayan. Grabe.
I know.
Ang lala. I love
you guys.
I love Team Millie. Team Millie is the best. Bro, 12,000 viewers na tayo. I think this is the most I've ever received in my life. Bro,
My whole life.
bro, I have more than 10 fans, bro. What? Bro, this is crazy. Bro, paano yun? Bro, how is this possible? I can't believe it.
Guys,
How did we do this?
supporting Emilio. He's an amazing guy.
Wow! Guys, keep supporting Michael. Sobrang gwapo niya. Ang galing niya pang salita. Sobrang tangkad. Grabe yung mga dimples niya. Tapos yung hair niya, slick back pa, di ba? Grabe talaga. Anong ginaka? What's your ulam, pare?
May duo, pare.
Tito Mike! That's my duo, pare!
Oh my God. I miss you,
Bro,
Emil.
Miss you, brother. Grabe,
Team
bro.
Millie, baby.
Grabe yung support na ng taong bayan. Grabe.
I know.
Ang lala. I love
you guys.
Team Millie. Team Millie is the best. Bro, 12,000
Team
viewers na tayo.
Millie.
I think this is the most I've ever received in my life.
Same.
Bro.
My whole life.
Bro, I have more than 10 fans, bro. What?
I'm so proud
Bro,
of you,
this is
Emil.
crazy.
I'm so proud of you, bro.
Bro, paano yun? Bro, how is this possible? I can't believe it. How did we
Guys, continue
do this?
supporting Emilio. He's an amazing guy.
Wow! Guys, keep supporting Michael. Sobrang gwapo niya. Ang galing niya pang salita. Sobrang tangkad. Grabe yung mga dimples niya. Tapos yung hair niya, slick back pa, di ba?
Bro, yung For You page ko, mga slow-mo
grabe,
moments
grabe
ni
talaga.
Emilio Daes.
Anong ginaka? What's your ulam, pare?
Oh, I'm eating out with my family.
Hi, tita. Oh, hello, Hi. Hello. Hello po. Ay, sorry po. I'm so sorry. Sorry po. Ba? Hindi mo sinasabi na sa labas ka pa. Nakakaya naman sa pamilya
Dude, I
pa.
had to join you, bro.
Nakakaya
I'm
naman.
too clingy.
Yan ko.
You're going to my sister's wedding.
Yes! Hi, ate. I'm excited to be at your wedding. I will be the best guest ever. I'm really honored. I'm so happy to be part of this special day. It's honestly gonna be a special day for me too. Like really, super special. Bro,
What are you eating,
kumakain
bro?
fried rice. Of course, rice. And ampalaya. The joke.
Hi, guys.
Bro,
Team Millie. I love you, Team
Grab.
Millie.
may 15,000 viewers na tayo, Paps. Wild.
Invite Joanne and Stacy.
Oh! Josie? You mean the Emilio and Michael of Beanie? You want me to invite them? Oh, ay,
Welcome to the outside world.
Bro.
Thank you, guys.
2, 3, mabuhay. 2, 3, mabuhay. I am Beanie Emilio.
I'm Beanie Michael. And we're Team Millie.
And thank you so much for coming to our concert sa Beanieverse World Tour. Grabe, sobrang thankful ko na nakapag-perform ako sa Araneta. Ay, di pala tayo yun, Mike. Di pala tayo.
Iba yun.
Sorry. Sorry, nalito ako eh. Kala ko tayo yun. Grabe, bro. Grabe yung pagmamahal ng mga tao sa labas.
Yeah, grabe.
Kita tayo mamaya, di ba, Tito Mike?
Yes, Emilio. So see you very soon, brother.
May secret meeting ata kami ni Tito Mike mamaya.
Someone said, you really wore the beanie shirts, of course.
Of course. Siyempre, matching kami. Pinag-usapan namin yun. Pero, akala talaga natin, Tito Mike, makakabalik tayo eh, no?
Yep.
Hindi nga ako nagbabay eh. Confident na confident talaga ako, guys. Sabi ko, hindi na ako magbabay. Pag-aapak na eviction room, sabi ko, wala na to. Wala na. Patay na ta.
Emils, I just wanted to say hi. Enjoying your life for a bit, but I don't want to disturb you na.
Yeah, bro.
I'll see you soon, brother.
I'll see you, brother. Bye-bye.
Yeah, to all the Team Millie guys, I love you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much.
Tito Mike. Love you, bro.
Heart, 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 heart.